Lot number 110 is a 2002 Chevy 3500 flatbed utility truck. This one has a 6.5 liter diesel engine with 81,000 original miles. It appears to be missing the oil cap here. Now, this thing has been stopped here over 6 months. I put 2 jump boxes on it and I got it to turn over, but it wouldn't start. I sprayed it with starting fluid. It started right up. It's been running for about 20 minutes now. Has not overheated. Engine sounds good. Listen. I am not a diesel mechanic by any means, but I will tell you it's idling smooth. It revs up nice. I'll rev it up so you can hear it. All the gauges appear to be working. It's got the brake light on and the anti-lock. $81,644 miles. All right, let me give you a quick walk around here. The body itself is straight. Transmission feels a little, either the transmission slipping or the brakes are kind of stuck. Again, I can't drive it because you saw how the hook is on that fence, but I will move it back a little bit. And I can feel reverse engaging, but I'm revving it up here and it's not moving. Now it's moving. It feels like the brakes are stuck, but here it is on drive. Oh, on drive it goes straight forward. So transmission feels fine. I think the brakes are the problem here. I'll give it a little. Oh yeah, transmission's good. Well, transmission engages. Don't hold me up to it's good. I don't know if it's good. I can't drive it, but it did engage. I pressed the brakes. I gave it a little fuel, and it jumped forward. So the grill is cracked. The grill is faded. The body is straight. It's got minor dents and scratches all around. The driver door is dented. The paint is peeling and faded. It's got mold all over it. All matching steel wheels. The tires are dry rotted. The tires show cracks all around. It may have been stopped longer than 6 months because those tires take long to get dry rotted, and those are dry rotted. Here are the cabinets on the driver's side. They look good. They open and close as they should. This could still make a heck of a work truck. These doors here are locked. It's got the drop down rear bumper, which appears to be in good shape. These guys were using this one for welding, it appears. The floor looks solid. It's got rust all around it. It shows surface rust everywhere, but overall it's solid. The auto crane, I suggest you remove it. It's rough. It's very rusty. It looks like it's in bad shape. It may not be safe to use. The cabinets on passenger sides look good. The control for that auto crane is included. I'll show you right now. All these cabinets appear to be good. They got some dents. They all have paint peeling. They all have surface rust. And they're solid. There's the controller for the crane. Go ahead and show you the interior. Passenger door panel looks faded. The dashboard is cracked. The bench seat looks good, but it has small tears. Headliner's hanging. Really dirty inside. Idling great. Let me disconnect my jump boxes, make sure the alternator's good. Charging 14. Yeah. Good alternator. Batteries are very dead. Here's the driver's side. Faded door panel, cracked dashboard, cracked bezel, steering wheel's worn, rubber mat on the floor is torn. All right, there you have it. Lot number 110. The old 3500 diesel. Got the 6.5 liter with only 81,000 miles. It's lot number 110. Good luck.